Hello there, my name is Edward Richmond. This is just a very quick video on the Codhead Club Awesome Resources list. You can see it on your screen right now. As you can see, there's quite a lot of different pages, different markdown files from communities, cybersecurity, all the way down to virtualization, and lots of different topics in between. I had planned to show you how to update them, and write the code live, and I recorded that video and I watched it back, and it was just me droning on for about 15 minutes, and nobody's got time to watch that. Everybody wants to be watching a short video and getting on with their life, really. So I certainly wouldn't watch myself doing that. So look, here's the pitch. Come along, contribute. If you don't know how to do that, the first step is to create an account on GitHub. There's a good pointer. But honestly, if you're a programmer, or you're big into electronics, or you attend a community that isn't there, isn't listed, do feel free to add it. Same with virtualization. If you're big into virtualization and you love managing virtual machines and infrastructure, and you do CI/CD, get it on there. Love to see it all. Join the Discord. Would love to have a lot more interaction on there. And get a thriving technical community going. And that is it. That is the pitch. If you come and contribute, fantastic. And if you hear this and you think, oh, that's not for me, well, it's not for you. And, it probably was never going to work out anyway. It's not us. You understand, it's obviously you. But, it is what it is. And on that note, I'm going to stop recording. And... hopefully I'll see you soon on the Awesome Resources list, or on the Discord, or hopefully, in the best case scenario, in both.